Hey, I'm Ray. Welcome to my kitchen. You're in for a treat today because we are making a simple meal in a glass. This is a golden glow turmeric banana smoothie with hemp seeds. And hemp seeds are important because they bring a delicious amount of plant-based protein and healthy fats while also providing kind of a nutty flavor to this smoothie. So I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So we've got some plant-based milk. We've got some beautiful spices from the spice cabinet that are warming and delicious and good for you. And then we've got a banana to naturally sweeten it up and a little bit of yogurt to cream it up. And I think you're just going to love this recipe. And it's so simple. So we're starting out with a plant-based milk, which I've got in the blender here. This happens to be almond milk because that's what I had. You could use oat milk. You could use a cashew coconut milk. You could use any milk that you like. I prefer a plant-based milk. I've got ripe bananas from my freezer, and these guys were really ripe, so they are sweet. I've got this Harmless Harvest yogurt. Now, the reason why I choose this particular yogurt is because this yogurt is really creamy without being super tangy. A lot of yogurt has kind of a tangy flavor to it, which I like, but I just don't care for it so much in this particular smoothie. So I'm choosing this one because it's got a mild and creamy flavor. And then here we've got a combination of Ceylon cinnamon, we've got some hemp seeds, we've got some turmeric, I've got a little pinch of pepper, a little bit of vanilla powder. I've just combined them all together. Now, not to worry, because I am going to give you the recipe down below in the show notes so you can see them there. And also, you could read about why hemp seeds, because I've written an article about the value of hemp seeds. So we are just going to add all those seasonings in. And we are going to start out like I always do with all my smoothies. We start out on a very low speed and then we crank it up to a high speed. And if we need to add some ice cubes, I've got those on hand. We'll add those if we need to thicken it up a little bit. So if you follow me, you know I like my smoothies kind of like ice cream and thick, more like a milkshake than a smoothie. So let's start out on low. And then crank it up. So we're definitely going to need to add some ice cubes to thicken this up to my liking. So I'm pouring in probably about 6 or 7 ice cubes. And again, starting on low, and we're going to crank it up to high. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, I think that was just the right amount of ice cubes to add. So let's pour this out and we'll have a taste. Now again, if you don't like your smoothies thick like I do, certainly you don't have to add ice cubes, or you could add a little bit more milk. Either way works. But I like mine to be rather thick. Wow, that is really good. I think you're really going to like this smoothie. It is cold, obviously, because it's a smoothie with ice and milk, but it has warm flavors from the cinnamon and the turmeric and the pepper, and it's just the ginger. It's very warming in terms of flavors, even though it's an ice smoothie. And I also can taste the hemp seeds. They're not crunchy in any way, but they do provide a little bit of a nutty flavor to this smoothie. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. Now I had a lot left over, and so I poured some of it into a thermos and I stored it in the refrigerator, and that'll be a great grab and go breakfast for me tomorrow morning. Now, if you are interested in reading more about hemp seeds or turmeric, I'll leave some links below because I've written some articles and they're posted on my weekly blog. Which, speaking of the weekly blog, if you're interested in getting the blog article and my weekly recipe right in your inbox. All you have to do is subscribe on my website, and it'll send you every week a reminder with a button to press for the recipe or a button to press for the blog article, or both. So anyway, if you're interested in that, you can take care of that on my website. But I'd love to have you subscribe here as well. We love to have you as part of the tribe. Oh, and people have asked me about these t-shirts. Before I forget, if you're interested, you can click on the merch tab. There's a button below and there's a button on my website, and it'll take you to my line of cheeky health-inspired teas. So anyway, I hope you're going to try this recipe, everybody. Cheers.